What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Spikes, and I'm back with another video. As y'all guys can see, today, no bull crapping around. I'm sitting in the box Chevy. My energy is high. I've been making so much progress on this car, man. I had it for a month and a day. I had this car for a month and a day. And I have done a complete turnaround on this car, man. Started out with it. Before we even get, you know what? I'm so in here to tell y'all this story and show y'all what's going on today, what we doing to this car today. Let me slow down. Man, y'all better make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Y'all need to make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man, so y'all won't miss anything. And also make sure y'all click that notification bell and make it turn gray, man, so you won't miss anything. Man, if you like the content, if you like the video, man, just leave your boy a thumbs up, man. It's easy, it's free, it don't take no time, no energy, none of that, man. And if you got something you want to say, you got something you want to ask, you got an opinion, anything, man, leave it in the comment box below, man. I don't bite. Hey, man, I like networking with people, man. Tell me, let's hear it, man. But anyway, skip all that. Because if you're watching, if you're on YouTube, you should already know the situation with YouTube. So there that is. But anyway, guys, let me get this camera turned around and I'm gonna show y'all what we're doing today, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all. Today, this is what we're getting into today. And don't mind the carpet, guys. I already ordered the carpet. The carpet is on the way. We got some ocean blue, light blue coming for it. I already ordered this, already on the way. I already got the glove box lock on the way coming. But today, what we doing is headliner, guys. We got to get this headliner out of here, man. It has to go today, I believe. So we're gonna try to get this headliner board out of here. Take all this trim off all around the top of the roof of it and get her out of there, man. The customer said he want the headliner done, he want the carpet done, he don't want this car smelling like a wet sock, so that's what he want, that's what he gonna get. Don't mind all the tray. I'm keeping all this stuff so when we get through with the car, I can just have a look of everything I done to the car. That's all his parts and stuff. But yeah, there she is, guys. So yeah, man. Oh, shoe come off. All right, y'all let me get this, get my tools and get taking some of this plastic off, and we're gonna get right to it. Y'all hold on, stay tight. Gonna learn something, baby. All right, YouTube. I got that darn headliner out, barely. Boys, crap everywhere, all over this car. But like I said, I got the headliner out, and she looking good, man. I've been scraping on her a little bit with my little wire brush, my little welding wire brush. I've just been taking it, doing right there, you know. But now, what I'm about to do is, since I done did that, I'm about to take my sander and see what she looking like with the sander. See if I can knock it down. I want to get it down as smooth as I can, so the glue can stick like it's supposed to. So yeah, y'all hold on, man. We at it, added and active. Update, guys. I got a little over half of the headliner done, and it's coming pretty. It's going pretty good, man. We're getting a pretty slick. Got a sheet of 150 on my Orbit sander, and she's looking good. But got two little problems, kinda. These corners over here, where it was at the front, where that window was leaking at, it kind of broke off. So I'm gonna have to fabricate these sun guns back on there some type of way, man. I don't know if I'm gonna have to tape them, glue them, fiberglass them, whatever. But we got to get that taken care of. And she's coming along pretty good, man. Matter of fact, let me show y'all how good she's coming. 150 on the Orbit sander. Just one pass. can expect from a sheet of 150 on the orbit cylinder on that headliner. It's gonna throw trash everywhere, so be prepared, but that's what she looking like, y'all. Yes, sir, I'm on it. I'm on it, YouTube. Stay tuned. We're making progress, baby. YouTube. It is the next day. As you can see, the next morning, the very next morning. I got the headliner out yesterday. I got it all cleaned up, all sanded down, all that crap off of it. Got it all blowed off with the air compressor. Yeah. But that's where we at. Finna get ready to lay this material down. I had to glue some of the ends yesterday, the two ends that I showed y'all. I glued them, I let them dry overnight, hung them up in the shop. And now we finna get ready to lay some material on this thing and see how she look. Yeah, hold on, let me get this camera turned around. We're gonna see what we're doing today. All right. As y'all can see, I just put a little glue on the backside of that headliner. And it's a little chipped, and it's a little this, and it's a little that. But once I lay that fabric over it, you won't be able to tell anything. And I'm gonna tell you that glue, whew, that glue set hard, boy. When I say it set hard, it set hard. So it gave me just enough leverage to be able to glue and tuck my fabric around. So we're gonna go ahead and get to that. And this is the adhesive I'm using today. I got 1 can, 3M can. I think I got this from Walmart. I had this for a while since I did my truck. It's damn near full. It's dang near full. It's darn near full. And I ordered a new can of this Gorilla spray adhesive because I seen that boy Sprayway using this over there on Sprayway channel. And we got our material. It's a tad bit darker than we want it, but it's suede, so I think it'll work. And it's definitely better than what we had in there. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get the camera set up and we're gonna get right to it, baby. Hold on. All right, y'all. I got the headliner laid down. She looking good. She smooth. I'm gonna let her dry. She's sticking pretty good already. As you can see, I can lift it up. So yeah, she's looking pretty good. All I gotta do now is trim up my ends, tuck her around, and cut my holes out. So yeah, that's where we at, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. We're making progress with this car, man. Y'all stay tuned, baby. Ooh, y'all. I'm done. I got my sun visor hole slid out. Boom, boom. Interior light, dome light. Back clothes hangers. I got both of them cut out, as you can see. So yeah, man, she's looking good. Suede blue. She's a little darker than we wanted, but as you sway it back and forth, you know, she gets light and dark. So I think it'll look pretty decent in the car. So we're gonna run with that, man. I'm pretty satisfied with it. She looks good. I got her tucked pretty darn perfect. I don't know how much more better you can get other than that. I follow my curves. See a little curve there? Follow my curves in the back. So yeah, guys, that's all you need is a little patience, some scissors or a box cutter, some fabric. Take your time getting that headliner out, and a couple cans of adhesive. Maybe 1 can will do, but I like to make mine stick pretty good so it won't fall down. So yeah, that's what she's looking like, guys. And I mean, from where we come from to now, I think that's a pass. Leave a comment down below and y'all let me know if you would rather this or what was in it. But yeah, guys, it's what I do, man. It's what I love to do. Yep. The old Caprice. That's all I got for y'all today. That's all I'm doing on this car today. I've been kind of stressed out. I ain't doing nothing else today on this car. Got a guy supposed to be bringing me a side-by-side. He want me to do a little tuning on it. So I'm waiting for him to pull up about 10 o'clock or whatever, and I'm gonna get on that. Man, I hope I help somebody out on this headliner job, getting that headliner done, and keeping y'all on update on this box Chevy here, because we're gonna paint him. He done came to me. This went from fixing the motor and maybe painting it or just priming it and he'd be all right to we full-blown restoring this car, man. I've got carpet order for it, did the headliner, fixing the glove box. I'm fixing everything in this car, man. We rebuilding it, we painting it, we doing all kind of crap. We putting music in it. I'm cutting a 4-pack in the back. I'm going fiberglass the dashboard, all kind of stuff. So, you know, if you're interested in that type of content, man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Click that post notification bell, make it turn gray, make it turn off so you won't miss anything, man. I promise you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it, man. Some of the things that I say and do on this channel, man, it's kind of like a learning curve for me and my supporters and subscribers, man. So we're gonna rock out, man. We're gonna rock out with these Chevys, man. I'm in love, man. I love rusty stuff. I love building stuff. I love polishing a turd, man. Hey. But yeah, man, that's all I got for y'all today, man. Y'all stay tuned on this build of this Caprice and the OBS truck, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. Y'all stay blessed, man. Peace.